Welcome to our detailed overview of the Vietcombank JCB credit card. This card is designed for those who travel and shop internationally, providing a range of benefits and services tailored for users. One of the standout advantages is its wide acceptance globally due to the JCB network. Cardholders enjoy exclusive offers and discounts at various merchants, making it a valuable tool for both shopping and travel. However, like any financial product, it has its downsides. The card may come with annual fees that could be a drawback for some users. It's essential to weigh these costs against the benefits provided. Additionally, the interest rates on outstanding balances can be relatively high, so it's crucial to manage your payments effectively to avoid accumulating debt. The Vietcombank JCB card offers services such as online banking, allowing you to track your spending and manage your account with ease. There are also various insurance benefits included, which can provide peace of mind while traveling. The card can facilitate easier access to cash through ATMs worldwide, a significant advantage for frequent travelers. In terms of costs, be sure to review the fee structure, including any applicable transaction fees for international purchases. This card is a great option for those looking to enhance their purchasing power abroad, but understanding the full terms of use is vital to maximize its potential. If you found this overview helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you.